Hey everyone, welcome to Trippin' with Silver Daddy. So, I was just getting hungry, and I was thinking about wrapping some presents for the holidays. And then it made me start thinking food and holidays and how my godmother used to always give my mom this really delicious fruitcake. And then I started thinking more about fruitcakes. And while there's several monasteries in the United States that produce this very high quality food products like jams, honey, and even beer, there's a few of these monasteries that have gained, widespread fame for their rich aged fruitcakes, which serve as a primary way to support their life of prayer and work. Well, here's two of them that are really well known. So there's the Trappist monks of the Assumption Abbey in Ava, Missouri. They are arguably the most famous for their dark, rich, traditional style fruitcake. Their fame comes partially from this unique concept and a recipe that was actually provided to them by a world-class chef, Jean-Pierre Agee, I believe it's pronounced, who was once part of the royal employees of the Duke and Duchess of Windsor's. So yeah, he actually gave them the recipe. And the cakes are truly handmade and aged. The monks marinate the fruit, which is primarily raisins and pineapple and cherries, in wine. And after baking, they inject each cake with a healthy dose of golden rum to keep them moist and keeps the flavor kind of meld together. Nothing like a good dose of golden rum. So these cakes are actually aged over several months and supervised by the monks. And they produce tens of thousands of cakes a year. But for them, the bakery is not a commercial bakery. It's just, their work of their hands that allows them to maintain their balance between life of prayer, study, and silence. And then there's the Abbey of I knew I'd say it wrong. The Abbey of Gethsemane. And that's in Trappist, Kentucky. And I was there not too long ago. And I actually did a podcast from there. I'll have to footnote it somehow. And they've been making fruitcakes since the 1950s. And why theirs is so loved? Because they're from Bourbon, Kentucky. So guess what they inject their fruitcake with? You got it. Good old Kentucky bourbon. Now, they produce a huge amount of cakes and rely heavily on sales to support their community and their charitable work. Now, the Trappist monks embrace these oddball industries, which is like making cheese, honey. They even make funeral caskets because they work in solidarity with and steady, and it allows them a balance to focus between their spiritual and their physical labor required to sustain their abbeys. So fruitcakes we're talking about is not those store-bought ones. These are very luxurious fruitcakes because they're made with the highest quality ingredients. They're aged properly. They're infused with liquor. And the kind of patience and dedication that only the monasteries can afford and offer. So if you're going to get a fruitcake and you want a real fruitcake, buy one from the Tapestry monks. That's all I can say. Hey, thanks for being with me, and I'll see you tomorrow. And remember, as always, subscribe, and peace, love, and respect. Bye!